Welcome! Today I'll show you how to activate Hey Google option into a CUBOT R19. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Click it. And go into settings. Then choose voice and voice match option. And now need click here on the switcher to activate Hey Google. Then need give access to your Google Assistant, click next. Here need click I agree. Then wait a second, and when you see Hey Google is ready, click continue. And now we activate our Hey Google option on this device. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.